Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the concept of business. The term business is derived from the word busy. Business means being busy. The business refers to an occupation in which people regularly engage in activities related to purchase, production, or sale of goods and services with a view to earning profit. The activity may consist of production or purchase of goods for sale or exchange of goods or supply of services to satisfy the needs of other people. Business may be defined as an economic activity involving production and sale of goods and services undertaken with a motive of earning profit by satisfying human needs in the society. There are two types of organizations. First one business organization and second one service motive organization. The ultimate aim of doing business is to make profit. In every society, people undertake various activities to satisfy their needs. These activities may be broadly classified into two groups. They are economic activities and non economic activities. Economic activities are those by which we can earn our livelihood, whereas non economic activities are those performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments, patriotism, etc. For example, a worker working in a factory, a doctor operating in his clinic, a manager working in the office, and a teacher teaching in a school are doing so to earn their livelihood and therefore engaged in an economic activity. Economic activities are those activities which can earn our livelihood. Their ultimate aim is to earn money. They are doing their job for earning money. Next type of activity is non economic activity. Non economic activities are those activities which are performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments, patriotism, etc. Example: a housewife cooking food for her family or a boy helping an old man to cross the road are performing non economic activities since they are doing so out of love and sympathy. Economic activities can be again divided into three. They are business, profession, and employment. Business may be defined as an economic activity involving the production and sale of goods and services undertaken with a motive of earning profit by satisfying human needs in the society. Business is considered to be economic activity because it is undertaken with the objective of earning money, not because of love, affection, sympathy, or any other sentimental reason. This economic activity can be undertaken either at small or individual level, example, purchase and sale by a shopkeeper, or on large scale in a more formal and organized level, that is, purchase and sale by a cooperative society or company. Organizations can be divided into two: profit motive organizations and service motive organization. In the case of profit motive organization, their ultimate aim is to make profit or earn profit.